Are you finally ready to ditch those expensive phone bills and switch to Mint Mobile, but feeling a little lost setting up your iPhone? First things first, let's get that SIM card in. Locate your iPhone's SIM card tray. It's usually on the side of the phone. Use the SIM ejector tool that came with your iPhone if you can find it, or a small paper clip to push the tray out. Observe how the SIM card is inserted into the tray. Then carefully place your Mint Mobile SIM card into the tray, matching the notch on the SIM card with the notch on the tray. Now, slide the tray back into your iPhone. Once your SIM card is in, your iPhone might still show no service. Don't panic. The next step is crucial: configuring your app settings for data. Go to your iPhone Settings app, tap on Cellular. Then tap on Cellular Data Network or APN Settings. If the Cellular Data Network option doesn't appear, make sure your iPhone has been restarted. Here, you will fill in the required information, which can be found on Mint Mobile's website or within their app under Support. After inputting your APN information, you should be able to see the Mint Mobile signal. Now, let's optimize some settings in the Cellular settings. Ensure data roaming is toggled on if you plan to travel or be in an area without Mint Mobile's coverage. Turn the low data mode toggle on for improved battery life and data usage. Finally, give your iPhone a restart to ensure everything connects smoothly. If you have gone through each step and you still aren't connected, check the Mint Mobile forums for more information or contact customer service. Congratulations! Your iPhone is now set up and ready to experience the budget-friendly bliss of Mint Mobile. #iPhone setup #Mint Mobile Guide.